In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pie chart in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open your Excel file and locate the data you want to turn into a chart. A pie chart works best when your data shows parts of a whole, so each category should represent a portion of the total. Before creating the chart, take a quick moment to make sure your data is organized clearly with labels for each category and the corresponding values beside them. This helps Excel build the chart correctly and makes the final result much easier to read. Once your file is open and your data is ready, highlight the full data set you want to use for the pie chart. Be sure to include both the category names and the values, because Excel needs both pieces of information to generate a meaningful chart. Selecting the correct range is important here, since the chart will be based entirely on the cells you choose. After that, look to the ribbon at the top of Excel and click the Insert tab. This is where you'll find Excel's chart tools. In the Insert tab, find the option labeled Insert Pie or Donut Chart. Click it to open the chart drop-down menu, then choose Pie from the available options. As soon as you do that, Excel will automatically create the chart for you. Now that the pie chart appears, it's helpful to understand what you're seeing. Each slice of the pie represents one category from your data, and each slice shows that category's proportion of the full total, which is 100%. Categories with larger values will appear as larger slices, while categories with smaller values will appear as smaller slices. This makes pie charts especially useful when you want to compare how much each category contributes to the overall amount at a glance. If your chart looks a little different than expected, the most common reason is the selected data range, so it's always worth double-checking that first. Pie charts are usually easiest to read when there aren't too many categories, since too many slices can make the chart crowded and harder to understand. And that's it. Once you've selected your data, gone to the Insert tab and chosen a pie chart, Excel does the rest for you. It's a quick and simple way to visualize proportions and present your data in a format that's clear, familiar, and easy to understand.